There you go. Yeah, there you go.
I'm just gonna record you. Because I don't think I'm gonna get a picture. You'll end up lighting the place on fire.
Mike's blown. Wait.
You gotta pinch it.
I got it.
This is something everybody should be proud of right here. I can't.
Wait. You can do it.
Oh my fuck.
You almost
You almost had it.
I can't hold it long enough to bite it.
You want me to light it for you? So you can smoke your cheese egg. Hello.
Ash it real quick.
You got one shoe on and one shoe.
Saying no.
Well, I guess if you ever lose like both of your arms or something, you have a plan. You have
No, he has to use his arms to pull his foot off.
Well, I guess it's time to get more flexing. Can't get a drag of that. No.
Do it.
Move it down a little bit more, because all I'm going to do is smoke your toe. Don't let it go. I can't do it.
The toe sag.